Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on VIVO Y19s. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. And now you can click open, then click agree and continue. And you can close this ad. Then click allow and click on this button to start your VPN, then click consent and click OK. And now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.